If you are looking for a job or an internship right now, you really need to watch this quick video. Today, I've got 3 huge off campus updates from Oracle, IBM, and Citi. They are hiring freshers and interns right now. These application links usually close super fast, so let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so the first one is from Oracle. They are hiring for a student/intern role. This is basically for those of you who are still in college or just recently graduated. You don't need a ton of experience for this. You'll just be helping out their tech teams, learning how a big IT company works, and getting some real world experience. Oracle pays a really good stipend, and having their name on your resume will help you get bigger jobs later. So definitely apply for this one. The link is right below in the description. Moving on to the second job. This one is from IBM and they are looking for a hardware engineer intern for their Bangalore office. Now, if you are from an electronics or electrical background or you just love working with hardware, this is totally for you. It's a hybrid role, which means you'll probably go to the office a few days and work from home the rest of the time. If you know even the basics of hardware systems or logic design, just go ahead and apply. It's an internship, so they expect to teach you things. Don't overthink it, just fill out the form. And finally, the third one is a proper full-time job at Citi. They are hiring a junior Python developer for their Pune office. They are looking for people with 0 to 3 years of experience. So yes, complete freshers can absolutely apply. If you know Python coding, basic data structures, and maybe a little bit about databases like MySQL, you are good to go. Your main job will be writing code, fixing bugs, and building APIs. It's a proper developer role, and since it's Citi, the salary is going to be really good. So yeah, those are the 3 big updates for today. I've put all the official application links in the description box. Please go apply right now before the companies close the forms. Also, do me a quick favor, hit the like button if this video helped you and subscribe so you don't miss out on daily job updates. Let me know your graduation year in the comments so I can find jobs specifically for your batch. Thanks for watching and all the best with your applications. Bye.